Hi there. I already eliminate this scene using HDRI. So for the moment, I will try to use sky texture and use another method to eliminate this scene. If you want to not be wasting time searching for HDRIs, so use this method. It's a method come up with a Blender. So what we need to do is to go to the shader editor and change the object to word like this. And what I need to do is to duplicate the background and plug it to the surface. So now we need the sky texture. So click here, drag, drop, and search for sky texture and add the sky texture. So if you want to let it like this, let it. But I will show you some settings to do. So I will return everything to the default. So I will go to color management and turn the exposure to 0 like this. And I want my sun to be inside my scene. So what I need to do is to rotate the scene until I get the sun inside my interior scene, as you see, like this. So it's very good. As you see here that the sun is very intense. So what I need to do is to decrease the sun intensity until I get soft light sun like this. And the second setting is to make this shadows soft with increasing the sun size like this. I will make it them 10. And like this we have a great illumination. You can now play around with rotation, elevation, and air, dust, and ozone. I don't like this airish mood. I will decrease it to 0, and I like a little bit of dusty. I will decrease the ozone and make the dust 10. And also I need to increase the exposure to maybe 1.2 to make this look. So now I can hit render and wait for render to finish. I will show you the result after. See you soon. F12. So this is the final render. What I'm gonna do is to go to the compositing. If you already follow with us in this Arch Viz course, you know that we already make noise layer here. So I will decrease the noise layer to 0.25. So this is the final result we get with the sky texture. This is everything for this video. I will give you a note that this course is a bonus for our full course in Gumroad. So if you want to watch the full course of this series, you can get the course on Gumroad. The link is in the description down below, and see you in next bonus videos. Salam.